In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a Notion page full width. This simple setting gives you more space for databases, images, and other content, making your workspace look cleaner and easier to use. Let's get started. Open the Notion page you want to change. This works for any page, whether it's a dashboard, notes page, project tracker, or database. Once the page is open, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the page. This opens the page settings where you can customize the layout. In the menu, find the full width option and turn the toggle on. As soon as you enable it, the page will expand across the screen, giving you more room to work. If you're using large tables, boards, galleries, or multiple columns, you'll notice everything has more space and is much easier to view without excessive scrolling. If you ever want to switch back to the default layout, open the same three-dot menu again and turn the full width toggle off. That's how to make a Notion page full width. Thanks for watching.